Hey everyone, I'm Georgia,
Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Elijah.
and today we're going to be recording and submitting our final warehouse update for our operations management class, and we're super excited for you to see it. We are the S&S Supply Company. We are a service parts distribution center, and we are an electrical supply company. Small and large electrical companies will come to us and outsource their warehousing function to us. So we will take in their orders and we will store all their products that they've ordered, and we will also make orders. So we're going to jump right into it. I'm going to show you the outside, then Elijah will show you the inside, and then we'll circle back around to me. And we're super excited. So here we go. This is our entrance. This is where all the trucks will enter, and then we'll have a guard there posted, and they'll have check-in, check-out, schedules and things like that. Over here is our dock area. We have our S&S Supply Company vehicle, as you can see. We have the first and second are our incoming, and third and fourth are our outgoing. So we have, shipping and receiving right there. Over here we have our truck parking. And we also have our waste disposal area with our dumpsters. See all of our truck parking. Up there is a observation window from the conference room. And we also have a large window for lighting. We try to have as many big windows as you can see as possible, just to, eliminate eliminate our power bill, make it kind of lower, save some energy. Over here, we have our employee and guest parking, and the blue lines mark the handicap spots, as you can see. Right here is our observation window from our two offices. So Elijah's going to go ahead and start us off.
All right. Now I will start with the interest of the warehouse. Our warehouse, that you can see, is S&S Electrical Supply Company, and that's where the workers and their clients will walk in to see our warehouses. Now, I will also on the top, that is our office area, where, as you can see, there are two windows that me and Georgia can actually look out to our warehouses, make sure our warehouses is operating very easily. Now, as you can see, this is our overview of our warehouses. Our warehouse is 50,000 square feet, I'm sorry, and 32 feet tall. Now, I will start with the storage area. The storage area is where we have our breakers, and we have our electrical panels, we have electrical wires, pipes, and anything we need to store, we'll have it stored in the storage area. Now, as you can see, this is our pallet. And each of our pallets, we have different items. They're like electrical wires, electrical panels. We have it stacked up in our pallets, and basically we'll hopefully have it wrapped up. As short as you can see right there, that is our finished pallet where we have everything wrapped and ready to go. Now I will talk about our bulk items. We have wires. The small wires are on the top. The bigger wires are on the bottom, but they're stored in bulks, depending on the clients for what they want for their supplies. And we also have two different kinds of pipes. The red straw represent plastic pipe, my bad. And the silver straw represent the copper pipes, which we have to have this kind of pipes for the wire to go through. Now, as you can see inside our warehouses, we have shelves. Our shelf, we try to follow the static shelving because for us, we can save our money that we need to have for our supplies and our employees. So we go with the static shelving, which means that our heavy supplies be on the top, and a lot of supplies will be about there, around in the middle. As you can see through our warehouse, we have different arrows. What that means is we try to follow to the S shape. And in order to do the S shape, we have to start with the outbound and inbound and outbound, like Georgia mentioned earlier in the videos. The inbound order and processing That's where we have our supplies in, checked out, and storage in their shelves. I'm sorry. And outbound, basically supplies goes out at the, you can see in the arrow, and we ship it to our trucks to our clients, and that is inbound and outbound ordering processing. Now, I will talk about the arrows. The arrows, as you can see, it starts with the S, and they're what we believe is falling through the S pattern. We believe that that would make our order much, much better inside our warehouse, and we can have our operation very fluent without issues. Now we have danger signs and we have warning precaution signs because we want our employee to follow through our guidelines so that we cannot be fined through OSHA or any business that could find us for not following through the violation or the safety guidelines, excuse me. Now I will hand it off to Georgia and she will talk about the conference room and so on.
Thank you, Elijah. It's going to be a little hard for me to show you my face during this part, but I'm going to try my best. Okay, so right here we have our danger sign, like Elijah said, that's for our shipping and receiving area. Down here we have more danger signs closer to the doors so they can see it better. We have the entrance to our stairs, which go up to our conference area, and we also have the entrance to our restrooms. First, we will go into the conference area. Okay, so this room has our table for conferences, anything we need to talk to our shippers or suppliers or anything like that. We have an emergency exit, a window to view the overview of the trucking area. This also doubles as a break room for our employees if they need a break for coffee or anything like that. I'm going to take this up, and this is our restroom. We have a unisex bathroom, and we have our entrance right there, the stairs to come up. Sorry, y'all, I'm trying to hold a laptop up here. We have our stalls and our handicap stalls as well. And right on top is our conference room, like I stated. So I'm just going to pan around to myself. Okay, back here. Now, we worked really hard on this project, and it's been a span of a couple months for us. We put a lot of thought into it, and as Elijah earlier stated, this was our overview. As you can tell, it's kind of a different scale. So on the outside, things are a little smaller than they would be on the inside. As you can see, the scale from our pallets to our truck is a little bit off, but I wanted us to zoom into the inside. So it's kind of magnified on the inside, but on the outside, it's more to scale. And then the offices and restrooms are also a different scale. It's just we kind of wanted to magnify the warehousing space just to make sure we got a good gist of everything that's in there. So we love our company and our warehouse, and we're very proud of it. And so we're going to sign off and hope y'all have a great rest of the year. Bye.
See y'all guys.